So what is the movie trying to tell us? The movie is trying to portray how 9/11 affected one family and not just how it affected the public in general. In the movie Extremely Loud and Incredibly Close, we see how the traumatic event made a huge effect on the lives of the Schell family, and especially the son Oscar. The Schell family is one out of many families who were also influenced by 9/11. Furthermore, the movie shows how a child tries to hold on to his father so he does not have to deal with his feelings and grief. Extremely Loud and Incredibly Close is a movie about coping with tragedy. The theme of death permeates the movie, taking Oscar Schell's father Thomas and the thousands of other people who also died in the attack of the World Trade Center on September 9/11. Everyone has their own way of coping with tragedy. Oscar self-harms, and he's constantly seeking the feeling he had when he was having fun with his father.